Welcome to the Universal Accounting's UA website tutorial. You have created a website unlike anything else. Your current website is designed with a subdomain. A subdomain is a web address before a parent or main address. Our parent address is uasites.com. The domain you chose is your subdomain. For example, if you chose Chuck Finley as your subdomain, your full website's domain is chuckfinley.uasites.com. The editor works best with Internet Explorer 9 and Mozilla Firefox. If you have Windows XP or Vista, you may want to use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. Firefox is the most compatible browser. There are two ways that you can get in and edit or update your site. If you are a student of Universal Accounting, use the My Website button and manage My Website from your UA Courses homepage. The other method could be entered directly through the address bar. Make sure that you are editing your site from the address bar. You type the full domain with the /admin in the address bar, not a search engine bar. Students are often confused about the address bar at the top of the screen. To begin, type in the name of your site or your subdomain in the address bar. You type the full domain with the /admin and press enter. If you have upgraded to a unique domain name like finleybookkeeping.com, you would add the /admin after the unique domain. Enter your CID, your student ID number with the Universal Accounting Center. It should be located on the home page of your UA Courses login page. If you are not a student with the Universal Accounting Center, your CID is admin. Your password is the one that you set up when you developed your site. Press login. If you type in the wrong password and press login, you will need to press the back button and retype your CID or your password. This is the basic information about your website. My business name is Chuck Finley Bookkeeping. This will appear at the top of my website. I also have a tagline, Your Profit and Growth Experts. A tagline shows up right under your business name and helps promote your business or specialties. If someone wants to contact you through the contact page, the contact form is sent to the email address listed here. Your phone number and address are automatically posted on your contact page. If you need to change or edit these in the future, you may change them here. If you have a Facebook link, you may type in that and it will show a logo for Facebook at the bottom of your page. You can do the same with Twitter or LinkedIn. If you have a Universal Accounting designation, such as the PB designation, it should automatically place your professional bookkeeper logo on your website. You may also change your password. Of course, you may always come back and revisit this tutorial video at any time. To save any changes on this form, click Save Changes. You will see a little green check mark showing that your changes were saved. You may then move to the drag and drop editor by clicking Next Step. This is your website, and this is the easiest drag and drop editor that you will ever see. First, as part of your help screen, little yellow bubbles will pop up to tell you how to work with each area of the screens. We will hide these bubbles for this training. Simply place a check mark next to the Hide Bubbles. Your drag and drop editor has 5 main areas: the Pages, Menus, Templates, Desktop, and Tools. Your site will start with only one page on the website, the home page or welcome page. You'll want to add more pages. On the left, we're going to click on Profits, the center blue button. drag it onto our page, and let go. That's it. That's drag and drop. You click on it with your left mouse button, hold the mouse button down, drag it to the center of the page, and let go. Now we've added the page Profits to the website. We're also going to add the video and the contact page. Now we have 4 pages. You may add them all or choose what you want to add. You may also change the order of the buttons on the menu bar itself. Just drag and drop the menu button to the new location on the menu bar. If you want to remove a page, drag the menu button off the menu. The top left corner controls where you want your menu buttons. Do you want them across the top like they are now? Do you want them down the left-hand side of the page or the right side of the page? For this demonstration, we want them down the right side of the page. So drag and drop the third icon onto the desktop. See how that changed the menu? If I don't like that, I can change it to the left by dragging and dropping the left menu page. It's that simple. I also want to change the menus in the background to blue. To do this, up in the right-hand corner, I click on the blue box and drag it and drop it into the desktop. That's all you have to do. We're going to change the appearance or template of the website. Down the right-hand side, you have 4 different page templates or themes. We're going to choose the 4th one and drag and drop. Simple, right? Down on the bottom Tools section of the far left corner, there is a button that says Rounded Corners. If you look right now on the sample, up at the top, the corners are squared off. The rounded corners allow you to just round those corners. Some like that look a little better. Before we move forward, you'll want to make sure you press the Save Changes button. Save your changes frequently. Let's take a look at what we've done to our site now. By clicking on View Site, your browser should open a new window that allows you the ability to view your site at this point. This opens up a new tab with your live website. If we want to take a look at a different page, we can click on Profits and see the next page. When we view the contact page, you can see the information from the basic information page. If you have Universal Accounting designations, such as your PB designation, it should automatically place your Professional Bookkeeper logo on your website. Let's go back to our Editing tab, and we will be back at our Editing page. You may also edit the text on many of the pages. You will not be able to change the contact page or video page. While editing individual pages, we can add pictures. We can change the text, or we can revert it back to what it was originally. First off, let's add a picture to the home page. Click on the camera icon to upload your picture. You will need to have any pictures that you would like to add on your computer, and you will want to make sure that you have the copyright permissions to use them. I want to add the Wisdom Pyramid. I find the picture on my computer and press Open. That now adds that picture to the page. The picture is added to the top left corner of the text area. Next, we are going to change and add some text to this page. I click on the pencil, and that opens the text box. First off, I'm going to change the third word to bookkeepers instead of accountants. That's all there is to it. Now, at the bottom of this page, I want to add some personal information. I am going to scroll down to the bottom and add a few hard returns, press enter twice, and I am going to add my name and telephone number. Whenever you edit text, you must go back to the top of the editing screen and click on the pencil a second time. Then click on Save Changes. Note, now it says not all bookkeepers are alike. If I scroll down, I have my address and telephone number for my potential clients to contact me. This editing area does allow HTML code. So if you, or if you know somebody who does understand HTML, you can add underlines, bolds, or whatever. The next area I want to introduce is the blog page. First, to enter blogs, you must add the page to your website. Drag and drop the page to your desktop. Next, click on the menu button on your desktop or use the Manage Blog button in your tools. Each post will be added above the previous post. Click Add New Post. I found a little post that I would like to add to my blog. First, we type the title to the blog post title. My title is Why is Bookkeeping Important? I'm just going to copy and paste the article that I found into the post. To allow your post to be seen by others, click on the Show on Website checkbox and Save Changes. Let's look back at our editing screen and save our changes there. Let's look at our website. Remember to refresh your view, and let's go to our home page. You'll see at the bottom we have our new blog post. Your blogs may show several pages with a Read More link. Back on our editing page, we can log out using the Log Out button in the top right corner. Now you are a drag and drop website master. Congratulations! Now it's easy to manage your own website. Have fun!